According to the Pan American Health Organization, which has established the goal of eliminating human deaths from rabies by 2022, Haiti and the Dominican Republic are the only countries on the continent where people have died from rabies in the last 12 months. The announcement came as the organization observed World Rabies Day last Friday, September 28. Senior Environmental Officer in the Ministry of Health, Kenny James, says the last case of human rabies in Grenada was in 1974, long before PAHO's anti-rabies initiatives began in 1982.
In 1974, we had a case. It was a 7-year-old boy that was bitten by a dog that was rabid, and he died. But so far, we have not had any human case after 1974.
On the other hand, there are still cases of rabies in mainly farm animals in the country. PAHO says vaccinating the canine population protects communities.
The principal reservoir of the disease is the mongoose, and we know that our dogs normally frequent the forested area or go to the bushes. Hunters use the dog. So once you vaccinate your dogs against rabies, you're actually reducing the risk of transmission onto humans, because your dogs will come home and be with you, and if it is infected with rabies, it can pass the disease on to you.
James says the ministry continues to conduct its registration and anti-rabies campaign annually. However, they still see on average about 12 cases of the disease in animals per year, with a high prevalence in St. Andrew.
You might be aware of the Dog Registration and Control Act that was passed in 2002, and principally this dog registration and control act is aimed at protecting the dogs against rabies and also protecting human life against rabies, because it is obligatory that you vaccinate your animals under the act, your dogs under the act, and every dog owner with a dog that is 6 months and older must have their dog vaccinated against rabies and registered with the Ministry of Health.
PAHO sees rabies as a disease with important implications on public health due to its mortality rate. There is no cure. Globally, 60,000 people die from the disease each year, mostly in Asia and Africa. Joseph McKee-Smith, GBN News.